friends, I'm Manpreet. In this video we will learn how to make necklace using embroidery threads in few simple steps. So let's get started. Take a thick thread or rope and cover it with colorful anchor threads. At start, tie a double knot. And make a 4, tie a knot. Again, make a 4 and tie a knot. Follow this process and cover whole thread. Here you can see another way of tying a knot. Here we are adding one more color. Tie double knot. Start tying the knots. The only thing you have to remember is now you have to cover both yellow and the white thick thread. Here we are changing the thread. Again we are starting covering with the yellow thread. Now you have to cover both purple and the white thick thread. You can add as many colors as you want. If you learned something new, please like and share my video and do subscribe my channel.